Hello everyone, Nick Boston from Numbers Executive here. I hope this video shout out finds you all well and you're surviving lockdown if you're in Melbourne. We've got a new opportunity here in Melbourne with a renewable energy business. This business develops and also owns and manages renewables investments and assets. This role sits within their corporate finance team, and they're looking for a corporate finance analyst. It's positioned around the 125 to 145,000 level, plus a bonus of sort of circa 10%. This role will be best suited to people with a strong financial modelling skill set. So if you've built construction and operating models, if you've had to size and sculpt debt, overlay effectively project financing to a series of cash flows and look at things like project IRR or equity IRR, then this is probably going to be a really good skill set to bring to this team. That's really just the foundation of this role. So they need someone with that skill set, but you're probably going to be someone who's working in a services firm or an investment bank, or perhaps you've done this over and over and you're getting a little sick of building these models and then handballing them to your client and then sort of never seeing them again. And perhaps you want a bit more ownership over these models and actually run them sort of to be a management tool as well, and get involved in other sort of work streams that are associated with corporate finance. So, yes, you'll be building models in this role, but it's not the be all and end all. You'll be actually using those models to understand the numbers and to support refinancings. If they're existing assets within the portfolio, that is, you might also be looking at the valuation or, capital improvement to those projects. And on top of that, you'll be getting involved in the strategic planning function as well, and all sorts of other ad hoc projects, even things like, supporting the energy trading side of this business, which is so important to sort of the pricing and so forth of these assets and the ultimate value. So again, we're looking for someone who's got that modelling skill set that they want to use as currency, and then basically build off that with a broader corporate finance skill set. The role title is Corporate Finance Analyst. Again, the salary is probably 125 to 145 range, depending on your skill set, plus a bonus, and best suited to someone who's passionate about renewable energy, has come from either a professional services firm building financial models, an investment bank, or potentially another corporate finance team where you've had to do sort of similar types of projects, but perhaps it's not the sector you want to be working in. Feel free to see the link below or drop me a direct message if you want further information. Hopefully we'll hear from you soon. Thanks for listening.